Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set landscape orientation on WordPad. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To set landscape orientation on WordPad, open WordPad and open the document. Click on the File tab on upper left corner and then click on Page Setup. Here you will find orientation and by default portrait is selected. Here you will find landscape. Click on landscape and then click on OK. And look, the landscape orientation is set in my WordPad. This is the easiest way to set landscape orientation in Microsoft WordPad. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.